I'm recording this for posterity because I'm only going to do this once. Don't I need to sit in, don't I need to sit down? You're not going to, oh, okay. I'm going to sit though, right? Okay, good. I saved before this so that I can just go back and play and build my base and do all that. The birds. Hang on, let me turn that up. I didn't do that, it does it automatically. Because it says jettison on launch. I'll put the image from my time capsule in the thumbnail. Uh-oh. That's what the Cyclops shield generator was for, right? Yeah. Okay.
Orbital debris field clear. Performing gravity turn maneuver.
You can't look around. This is a cutscene. Just so you know. Do I get to keep my achievement if I don't save afterwards? I'm sorry it's not focusing on the text. I don't have recording software on the computer, so this is just a camera aimed at the screen. I have dreams like this, actually.
What is a wave without the ocean?
Oh yeah, the Sea Empress.
Without an end. They are different, but they go together. Now you go among the stars, and I fall among the sands.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
But we go together.
Oh man, I'm really gonna cry. I got so sad when she died. Okay, now what? I know something's supposed to happen. I know it is. I've seen this ending. Hello? This is my problem when I go through warp gates, is I have this long pause where things are supposed to happen and they don't. Okay. Come on. I've been through the warp gate. Come on. Oh, maybe it's after the credits that it does the thing. Because I love the game, I'm not gonna skip through the credits. I'm sorry, but all these awesome people made this game. We can sit through a few minutes. And it's good music, listen to that. Well, aside from the water bottle opening. Lani Minella. That's who voiced the Sea Emperor. Or Empress, I suppose. I know something happens after this, otherwise I would have ended it when I saw the credits. And it's kind of funny to me. Oh, you know, before I upload this, I should totally upload the sunbeam crashing. Because I videoed that. Because somebody else, it was Robin, or Pixel Pit, or Pixel... whatever the other one is, said that when he did when he played through, he couldn't see the sunbeam. But I quite clearly could see the sunbeam go kablooey. Oh hey, Jacksepticeye! Did you see that? And Markiplier. I do have the septic tank and the Markiplier bobblehead. Markiplier bobblehead is actually really annoying.
Welcome home to Alterra. Permission to land will be granted once you have settled your outstanding balance of 1 trillion credits.
That's the thing I was waiting for. So I'm going to go back and fiddle around with just my rocket sitting there completed. Just because, yeah, this is why I have so many problems, because I have like 3 point something gigabytes of RAM. I had, so I almost want, is that the Sea Emperor? No, it's not the Sea Emperor. I don't know what that is. If they had a Sea Emperor shirt, I'd totally buy it. So I'm gonna go back and play in this. I'm not gonna make you sit through the loading screen because it takes like 10-15 minutes for me to get in the game because I don't have the RAM. But anyway, Robin said that he couldn't get the Sunbeam to play, or to be visible, so I'll upload the Sunbeam crashing first, and then I'll upload this. And I will note that these are spoilers, even though you probably already know it's going to happen. As you can see, I do have a creative game, but instead of going to the creative game, I'm playing my survival game because I've already cured the disease, so the warpers will leave me alone. Problem with the creative mode is I haven't done that, so I still have to worry about warpers. So I'm going to fiddle around in survival mode, try to find the other 3 frickin' cuttlefish eggs, find all the caches, do all that stuff. So yeah, this has been Subnautica. I wish I had a way to properly record it, but I don't.